Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, I just filled up my ashes bottle, what I use for fire roll, and I always like to try them out. So here's 2 cotton balls. That means that's going to be 4 fire rolls, and we'll try them with these leaves here. This time, what helps to keep those bottom pieces of char cloth from getting brittle so much is to put a layer of punkwood down on the bottom. And that kind of keeps it from getting so hot. There's more to it than just getting hot on the bottom. I think I'll go ahead and we'll put 12 pieces in this time. "12 pieces this time. It was just 10 the last time. All right, that ought to be hot enough. Let's stick it in there. Nine is still supple. 10, 11 still feels good. How about the bottom one? And the bottom one is supple too. So you see, putting a buffer on the very bottom of the can really helped. Now I have 12 good pieces of char cloth. Let's go ahead and try to ignite the bottom one and one of these pieces, and we'll be done for the day. Good charred punkwood right there. Once again, we're using that new steel that we just made up. I'll put the link to that video in the description. There goes the char cloth. There goes the punk wood. All right, y'all. It's just an endless loop, isn't it? It's just a cycle. Now this will burn down into ashes. I'll take and put those in the bottle, and I might try those for fire roll and start the whole process over again. So, all right, y'all. Appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.